Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I want to introduce myself. My name is Rohayati. I am 27 years old. I am Muslim. I am single. I have experience in Singapore 4 years. My job is take care of children, iron, cooking, washing, and clean the house.
What's your name?
My name is Rohayati.
How old are you?
I am 27 years old.
Are you married or single?
I am single.
Do you have experience in Singapore before?
Yes, I have experience in Singapore 4 years.
What's your main duty in Singapore?
I raise the of children.
How many children you want to take care?
3 children.
How old are them?
4 years, 6 years old, 7 years old.
Do you send and pick up the children from school?
Yes.
Do you know how to cook simple Chinese food?
Yes, I can.
What simple Chinese food you know how to cook?
Steamed fish, fried vegetable, fried noodle, fried rice, and soup. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I promise to be a good hostess. I see you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.